Hello fellow traders. Today we're going to get into the critical concept in trading, stress testing strategies to ensure they perform well under changing market conditions. We'll use the recent SPY movements influenced by tariff news as a case to study and better understand how external events impact performance. Whether you're a new trader or a seasoned investor, this video will provide you actionable insights to refine your approach. Today we're going to get into stress testing trading strategies, how market conditions affect performance by a pajama trader. Give this a like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Why stress testing is crucial for traders. Stress testing is the process of evaluating how trading strategies perform under different market conditions. Markets are inherently unpredictable, and strategies that thrive during stable periods often fail when volatility increases. By simulating scenarios like sudden tariff announcements or unexpected news, traders can identify weakness in their approach and make adjustments before risking any real capital. Stress testing also helps traders prepare for extreme scenarios, such as rapid price swings or volume shifts, allowing them to stay disciplined and avoid emotional decision-making. As traders, we must prepare for the unexpected. Stress testing allows us to simulate real-world scenarios, like the impact of tariff news, and adapt our strategies to handle volatility effectively. It's not just about finding profitable trades, it's about ensuring your strategy can survive when markets turn chaotic. Case study, SPY movement example. As you can see, the SPY surged, and this is based on yesterday's chart. Basically went from 548 and failed to get to 550. But as of today, it's trading at 535. The SPY recently surged to reclaim 548 but faced resistance at 550, amid uncertainty caused by tariff news. This external event introduced volatility into the market, creating hesitation among traders. Light volume following the announcement increases the risk of a fade back to 500 if the momentum doesn't build. This chart illustrated how SPY reacted with recent tariff news. After reclaiming 548, it struggled to break 550 due to hesitation in the market. Stress testing helps us prepare for such scenarios by simulating reactions to external events like tariffs or geopolitical events. Key factors to stress test. Volume analysis is crucial when markets react to news like tariffs because it reveals whether momentum is building or fading. For example, high volume near key levels like 548 or 550 often signal strong interest from institutional investors, while the light volume suggests uncertainty and lack of conviction. Support and resistance levels play a significant role in stress testing strategies. Testing how your strategy reacts near critical levels such as 548 or 550 can help determine whether it's robust enough to handle sudden reversals or breakouts. News-driven volatility adds another layer of complexity. Tariff announcements often create sudden spikes or drops as traders react emotionally or adjust positions based on perceived risk. Tariff-related news brings uncertainty that can disrupt even the best laid plans. By stress testing your strategy against these factors, volume shifts, key levels, and volatility, you'll be better equipped to navigate unpredicted markets. Techniques for stress testing strategies. That testing involves analyzing historical data during volatile periods, like previous tariff announcements, to identify patterns and weaknesses in your strategy. For example, testing how your strategy performed during similar SPY movements can reveal whether adjustments are needed. Forward testing applies your strategy in live markets using small capital or paper trading accounts. This allows you to observe its performance under real-world conditions without risking significant funds. Scenario analysis is particularly useful for preparing external events like tariff announcements or unexpected geopolitical developments. Simulating potential outcomes such as breakouts above 550 or drops below 525 helps refine entry and exit points. Stress testing isn't just theoretical. It's practical preparation for real-world conditions, whether you're backtesting historical data or forward-testing live trades during tariff-related volatility. These techniques will strengthen your approach. Lessons to apply from chart analysis. Staying informed about external events like tariff-related news is essential for traders because sudden policy changes can lead to abrupt market reactions that require quick adjustments to strategies. Risk management becomes even more important during uncertain times. Tightening stop losses can also protect your capital when volatility spikes unexpectedly. The SPY reaction highlights why patience is critical when trading near key levels like 550. Waiting for confirmation before entering trades reduces risk and increases the likelihood of success. The SPY's reaction to tariff news highlights the importance of being proactive rather than reactive in trading. Stress test prepares for these types of moments so that you can trade with confidence instead of fear. Also, incorporating external event scenarios like tariff impacts into your stress testing process ensures that your strategy remains adaptable under changing conditions. For example, testing reactions similar to trade news across indices like SPY or individual stocks provide broader insights into market behavior. Adjust your entry-exit strategies based on real-time price action during volatile periods. Ensures that you're trading based on evidence rather than emotion. Evaluating how similar stocks react alongside SPY helps identify correlations that may impact performance across your portfolio. Every day presents new challenges in trading, especially when global events like tariffs come into play. By applying what you've learned here today, you'll be better prepared to handle these challenges with confidence. Conclusion. Mastering market conditions. Stress testing reveals strengths and weaknesses in your strategy by simulating real-world conditions like those influenced by tariff announcements. Focus on metrics such as volume shifts, trends near support and resistance levels, and volatility spikes caused by external events. Ensures that you're prepared for both winning and losing scenarios. Trading is not about predicting, it's about preparing for any outcome through disciplined trading and execution. As for traders, we strive for mastery, not luck, in navigating unpredictable markets. Use stress testing as your tool for preparation so that you can trade confidently regardless of what comes next. Give this a like if this connected the dots with you. Share this with other traders looking to edge up their trading. And consider subscribing for more Market Edge videos like this one. Thanks again for watching.